Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to add subtitles in VLC by loading an SRT file. First, make sure your SRT subtitle file is already downloaded. It usually ends with .srt. Next, look at the top menu and click Subtitle. From the menu, click Add Subtitle File. A file browser window opens. Now click to select your SRT file. Then click Open. The subtitles immediately appear on the video. If you don't see them, don't panic. Click Subtitle again. Go to Subtrack. Make sure a subtitle track is selected and not set to disable. Now let's cover a helpful tip. If your subtitle file has the same name as the video file, and both are in the same folder, VLC can load subtitles automatically. Just make sure the names match exactly. If subtitles are out of sync, you can adjust timing by pressing G or H on your keyboard. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.